Hey guys, welcome to the channel. I'm Sherelle if you're new, and welcome to today's vlog. It is a work day for me, and I'm actually on my lunch break right now. And I was taking out my son's hair, and I was like, I haven't posted a daily vlog in about 2 weeks, and I said I was gonna be more consistent. So why not?
Me too.
Yeah, we say we were gonna be more consistent. So why not just pick up the camera and vlog what we're doing? So right now I am taking out these braids. He just had 2 cornrows going to the back, but he's been in the pool, he's been outside running through sprinklers, so it's time for a new hairdo. And we're gonna get our hair washed and done like a big boy, right? Yeah. So we're just gonna go ahead and take these braids out and wash his hair. And I don't really have much going on today, like outside the house wise. Probably Elijah needs to cut the grass, and we need to clean the pool out, and I need to clean the refrigerator out. And that's about it. So if that sounds interesting to you all, stay tuned. Yes, and mop the floor. So if that sounds interesting to you all, stay tuned for today's vlog. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe if you're new. Hit the like button because it's free, and leave a comment down below. Let me know how your weekend is going, what your plans are for the weekend, because today is Friday. Just got off work. Well, like 30 minutes ago I got off work. And Elijah is about to cut the grass now before it rains. So that'll be nice to go ahead and have that out of the way for the weekend. And then I have to clean my refrigerator out. My refrigerator is disgusting. But since the kids have been home, you know, all summer, it's like my refrigerator hasn't had a chance to get as empty as it is now. So I really have, it's like the perfect opportunity before I go grocery shopping to take everything out and like really deep clean the refrigerator, because I have 3 children and they go in and out freely and they spill stuff and half clean it up. So I need to go ahead and tackle that, and then I still have to braid my son's hair. But I'm about to go out here now and sit on the porch, and we're gonna watch Elijah cut the grass, because even though he's good at it, I still don't feel comfortable with letting him just cut the grass by himself. And he's gonna be 15 tomorrow, y'all. So yeah, he's good at cutting the grass. So let's go out here and tackle this yard so we can tackle the refrigerator and tackle Jerome's hair. And then we gotta figure out what dinner, mom life. Lord. Come on, y'all.
Hey, you.
You ain't no help. You just out here in the way. In the way.
The washing machine making water. Get up.
Pick the broom up and stuff, Jay.
Hey. What you doing? Blood, you went not baby, you ain't been sleeping properly.
I need to clean up in here. I got some laundry going. It's very productive day. Very productive. Here you go.
What's it? Hey, watch out. Thank you. Thank you for your cooperation. I don't need you no more.
Where the gas at?
Huh?
Where's the gas?
The gas, nigga.
Oh,
Let me go get my hands done.
all right. I'll put the gas in there.
Probably the best recorder.
You recording?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Special recorders?
Do
Put my glasses on. I'll put these on your head too.
it.
I'll put them on your head.
Put it on my eyes.
Come on, cameraman.
Turn your eyes while you recording.
Wait.
Okay, that's good. You can pause it.
What's this? What's this?
That's where the oil goes. You put the gasoline
Oh, what's
in.
this?
Look at this one. Y'all can't tell my baby he ain't cutting grass. And you not gonna tell him he ain't cutting grass neither. Y'all, this is what my yard is looking like now. Elijah got us back in the game, baby. My neighbor over here got her grass cut yesterday. So I really had to go ahead and cut my grass because I stay around a bunch of older folks and they keep their yards tip-top shape. So, you know, I'm the youngest one on the block, so I got to step. Yeah, we looking good though. Yeah, let's go tackle this refrigerator. Go ahead and get all this stuff up out of here. It's gonna go in the trash. It's not baking soda. folks do this. Cause what's somebody gonna do with this little bit of barbecue sauce? Throw it away. Throw it in the trash, please. Disgusting. Disgusting. But we're gonna get it together. It's okay. It is okay. See how they just spit? I don't even know what that is. I think this is chocolate milk. But they just spill stuff. So we just go ahead and take all of this out and clean it. First, I'm gonna make some water so I can clean that up. I'm just gonna take some of this Microban and spray the door down. I have to figure out. I know these come out. See what's dying here. Oh, it's not too bad. I wonder if. Okay, yeah, let's get this. All right, y'all, let me take this apart. Some of that. That's gonna get that up off of there. Whatever it is. Matter of fact, put them in here too. Yeah. Move y'all back some. Cause when I be watching my videos, I be like, dang girl, what the hell you so close to them folks? Get up out y'all face. That's better. I hope. But yeah, my kids be home, so I don't really have time for the damn refrigerator to get empty. Like that. We're gonna get it together. I'm gonna go grocery shopping tomorrow. I just be confused as to how both sides of the thing get dirty. Like, I see the top part, but how did that... If you have kids, you already know. They will amaze you with the things that they can get dirty. Because I just don't understand. Now, let's tackle the beast. You know, you just move in and you deep clean. This one of them. Polo free. I'm surprised it still was keeping stuff cold. All this stuff up in here. Make sure y'all clean this little part too. all finished. It looks way better. Cause girl, we was looking rough, but we got it together. Now we gotta go ahead and put this back in here. Freezer. See, what is this? What I'm talking about? What even is this? Popsicle juice? Girl, it's not bad. So let me wipe that little spot up right quick. All right, so let me go ahead and get this stuff back in here. Then I got to figure out what I'm about to cook for dinner. Because I'm tired. I'll probably fry some fish. Well, I'm not even tired. And you know what? I realized I have a habit of saying I'm tired and I don't even really be tired. So I need to stop that because I actually have a lot of energy today because I did my oldest son's hair. I washed and retwisted his hair. While I was at work actually, because we were really slow today. Then y'all seen I took my baby's braids out. I just need to wash his hair and throw him some more braids back in. So I'm gonna get that all done today. And then the grass got cut. It feels good when you do productive things. So yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get all this stuff back in the refrigerator. I don't think y'all need to see that. Y'all know where everything goes. You seen where everything came from. And plus, I ain't really got too much in that anyway. So I'm going to get this stuff back in the refrigerator. Probably take some fish out to fry because that's something quick and easy. And then I'm going to go ahead and wash Jerome's hair. So I'll see you all when I get done doing all that. I'm so glad I made Elijah go ahead and cut the grass because it is pouring down.
No, I don't want nothing to get my eyes, Mama.
Got the fish all done.
The chicken done.
And we just put some french fries in the air fryer. So that's dinner for tonight. And that's going to sum it up for this vlog, y'all. That's going to sum it up for this vlog for today. If you have made it to the end of the video, make sure you hit that subscribe button for me. Smash the like button on your way out because it's free. It doesn't cost you anything. And yeah, I'm done for today. I got a lot accomplished. I didn't make it to do his hair, but it's okay. At least I got it washed. And he can just wear a ponytail tomorrow. And I will braid it eventually. We're just gonna leave it at that. So yes, thank you all for watching. I hope you enjoyed today's vlog. I'm about to take me a shower. And I'll probably eat me a piece of fish before I jump in the shower. But then that's gonna be it for tonight. So we don't really have anything else going on. Just gonna kick back and relax for the night. That fish better be good. It better be.
So good.
Yeah, so good. From the mouth of a child. You hear it. So I hope you all enjoyed the video. We will catch you all in the next one.
Peace.
Hey.